Okay, class, we will be having a quiz next meeting about sexual education. Please review, ha? You are now dismissed.
Uy, te! Saan ka na naman po?
Wala, may touch lang ako. What?
Gandi mo!
Do you have any plans today?
Ano?
Oh, okay, let's go to McDonald's then.
Uy, Sharon!
Uy!
Wait lang, dito
Siya
ka
lang
lang.
ako.
Sige.
I can recommend pads. They are very safe. Nothing goes in your body. You don't take anything. It's not painful at all. It's just like a bandage. I will prescribe it to you. You can go to the pharmacist and it's like all the information will be given to you later. Okay? Stay safe and see you soon.
Thank you,
Take
Doc.
care of yourself.
Uy, saan ka?
Uwi na ako. Ikaw, saan ka punta?
Punta ako sa condo ng jowa ko.
Ang gagawin dito. Safe pa ba ito?
Safe saan?
Alam mo ba, sa mga diseases and...
Magaling ang jowa ko, hindi ko na kailangan yan.
Are you talking about?
Ayoko kasi nang may tinuturo sa akin, na may iniinom ako. Nakakabaliw.
Eh, hindi ka ba nag-research? Eh, meron ako ginagamit na ganito.
Na alin?
Eh, dikit lang. Ito.
Ayoko ng ganyan. Parang ang daming... Ayoko ng ganyan. Hala, ako hindi pa nire-regla.
Batay sa pinakahuling datos ng Philippine Statistics Authority, nasa 1.3 million ang registered live births noong 2021 ng mga edad 19 years old pababa. Mas mababa ang bilang na ito kumpara noong 2020 na nasa 1.5 million. Registered live births noong 2021 ng mga edad 19 years old pababa. Mas mababa ang bilang na ito kumpara noong 2020 na nasa 1.5.
Ishi! Kinakabahan ako.
Late mo ko one day. Pero ko buntis na ako.
Paano mo nasabi? Eh, syempre, may nangyayari sa amin ng jowa ko. One day lang naman yan, sis. Baka stress lang yan. Kung gusto mo, kausapin mo si Daddy. Kawasan mo. Para makahingi ka na ng tips. Ano pag buntis ako? Wala yan, sis. One day ka lang delayed eh. Tawagin mo si Dari. Of course, may kilala yung ka-OT eh.
Ah, sige, tatawagan ko.
Sige, thank you.
Hello?
Bari, please help.
Okay, what is it?
Never ka kasi sa akin ni AK. Tapos naalala ko kanina sa school. May binibigay ka sa akin contraception. Pwede pa ako, please?
Do you mean the patch?
A birth control patch is a small patch you wear in your skin to prevent pregnancy. But why is it necessary? In today's world, women need choices. They need reliable, convenient, and safe methods of birth control to manage their reproductive health. The patch offers just that. It's discreet, so wala kang iisipin pa. No more pills to remember, no injections to schedule. The patch is your go-to for reliable protection. So you can focus on what truly matters. Your studies, your friends, your dreams. It prevents ovulation, gets rid of the worry about unwanted pregnancies. But always remember, talk to your doctor or healthcare providers first. They can help you choose the best birth control method for your specific needs and health. It's a conversation worth having.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I actually understand it now. Thank you so much.
I can recommend you Doc Suna. She's so kind.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Please be safe.
Ate, ba't ang tagal mo? Malilate na ako.
Your future. Your choice. Protect your dreams.
Your health.
And your future.
With smart decisions today.
Love yourself. Plan, protect.
And always stay in control.
Can we talk later? Because I'm on my way to my boyfriend's condo right now. Okay, bye.
Ron! Sharon?